you have 104 chances to grow your YouTube channel. Hey y'all, it's Megan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome, and please hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more YouTube related content. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because it really supports my channel. And also leave me a comment down below. I actually have a really exciting announcement at the end of my video, so if you want to see that, make sure you stay tuned. Today's video is going to be how to start a YouTube channel in 2020, and these are my biggest tips for you YouTubers who are starting your YouTube channel during quarantine, or maybe you're seeing this after quarantine, I don't know, but this is how you can start a YouTube channel in 2020. So my first tip is to do your research before you start your YouTube channel, and if you're watching this video, you are more than likely doing your research right now. I encourage you to watch as many videos as you can to learn about what it is like to be a YouTuber, or reading articles or blogs or whatever it is. That way you can get the sense of what it's like to actually be a YouTuber, because it is a lot of time and dedication to make a commitment this big. This leads me to my second tip. So my second tip is to figure out what kind of content you want to share on your YouTube channel, and this may mean watching several different videos and video styles to figure out what you enjoy watching and what you think other people will enjoy watching. But you don't want to just copy everything that somebody else does. You actually want to make your content original and give it some kind of twist that makes it your own. Once you figure out what kind of videos that you like, you can figure out how these videos are going to provide value to your subscribers, because basically that is what YouTube is for. It is a search engine, so people are coming to search and find stuff they want to figure out or that adds value to their life, whether that be entertainment or how to do something. For example, my YouTube channel is about how to grow on YouTube, so people come to my channel to figure out different tips to help them grow their YouTube channels, no matter what niche they may be in. So once you figure out your niche, you want to come up with a channel name, and you want to think long term when you come up with this, because you don't want to pick a name that you'll regret later on. You don't want to change your name a million times, so you want to come up with something that's going to last a long time and will become your brand, because essentially YouTube is a business and you want your name to represent your brand. If you can't think of something creative like Laura DIY or something like that, then I recommend just using your name. So once you do your research, come up with a niche and come up with a channel name, you want to figure out how the YouTube algorithm works. So the YouTube algorithm is used to figure out what videos YouTube wants to suggest to other people to keep them on their platform the longest, and that is the goal of the algorithm, is to see how long that they can keep someone on YouTube. So the two biggest things the YouTube algorithm takes into play is audience retention rate or watch time, and this is how long somebody watches your video. And the second thing they take into consideration is engagement, and that is how many people like and comment your videos. And that is why at the beginning of every one of my videos I say, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up, because it really supports my channel. And also leave me a comment down below. There's a reason I say all of those things, and that is to remind the viewer that they should engage on my videos if they choose to do so, and it really helps and supports my channel. So my fourth tip for starting your YouTube channel in 2020 is to figure out what equipment you have and figure out what equipment you need. You don't need a $1,000 camera to start on YouTube. You can actually just use an iPhone to get started with your channel, and then later on upgrade to a newer camera if you wish to do so. If you have a camera, that's great, you can use that, but you want to have good quality videos, because if you don't, people will automatically just click off your videos. So once you have your camera situation figured out, you want to figure out lighting, And you can buy a ring light, or you can use natural light, which is what I do. I sit in front of a window and film my videos. And then last for equipment that you need is editing software. I have a MacBook and I use iMovie. If you have an iPhone, you can also use iMovie or an iPad. But I'm sure there's other free editing softwares out there if you want to wait and spend money on editing softwares later down the road. And then my fifth tip is to make a schedule. I know I've said this in my other videos, but it is so important. The YouTube algorithm likes for you to stick to a schedule, and that means picking a specific date and time to upload your videos. I also recommend that you upload at least twice a week, because if you think about it mathematically, let's say you upload one time a week for a year, you have 52 videos that you're uploading, and that is only 52 times that you are putting yourself out there and possibly getting more subscribers. Whereas if you upload twice a week, you have 104 chances to grow your YouTube channel. So I recommend doing at least twice a week, but you want to make a schedule and stick to it, and that means picking a specific day and time. So it is that time for my special announcement, and that is I am going to be doing shoutouts on my videos every week for small YouTubers. I want to help support the small YouTube community and small YouTubers like me. So every week I'm going to do a shout out to a small YouTuber on my videos, and if you want to be a part of that, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, and then commenting on this video that you have done both of those things, and maybe you will be next week's shout out. We'll see. I hope you learned from this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up because it really supports my channel. And if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, because I know you want to see more videos from your girl. So if you want to grow on YouTube, make sure you do hit that subscribe button. Also turn on that bell. And if you aren't already, follow me on Instagram. And I will see you guys later. Bye.